Hello, thank you for previewing my listing. If you would like to schedule an appointment to see this home, please contact me and I will be happy to arrange this for you. Tidy 3-bedroom 2-bath home offers almost 1,500 square feet, 2-car garage and a spacious yard. A unique great room floor plan that truly embodies open living spaces. The nearby citrus groves scent the air with the fragrance of spring this time of year. Located in walking distance to Valle Vista Elementary, and valley-wide sports and recreation. Manicured landscaping and attractive brick facing welcome you as you approach the home. Inside you will admire the vaulted ceilings, wide open great room, separate dining niche and expansive kitchen. Asymmetrical design maximizes the space in the kitchen and the glass-doored cabinets allow light to flow in and out of the room. The fireplace provides a focal point in the living room. A newer AC compressor, ceiling fans and mirrored wardrobe doors are some desired features offered. The backyard with newer perimeter vinyl fencing, and mature landscaping will be your favorite place to relax in the afternoons.